Hey y'all, it's Lananh here, and today we are going to be building my bed frame. All of my packages came like within the same day. I also ordered some stuff from Amazon, so I'm gonna do a little Amazon haul before I, build my stuff. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this movie projector because we decided to not get a TV. Like, we wanted to do like movie nights, and like I didn't want to buy a TV, and yeah, it's just this little movie projector. I'm ready to watch the new Mulan movie. Like, also came with like a controller and all the other little stuff. Ooh. Okay, so then I ordered 4 of these amber glass soap dispenser jar. Like, look how cute those are. Yeah, just these 4. But yeah, I got a label maker because I wanted to write like dish soap or hand soap on these bottles, so this is what that's for. Y'all, it looks so good. Okay, let me stop. Done with that. So now I'm going to spend a couple hours trying to build my bed frame. So I think I'm just gonna take everything out of this box and just see what I'm working with. I hate the styrofoam, like it's getting all on my carpet. Like this is why I didn't want carpet. Y'all, this is the furthest I've gotten, and I'm so tired. I can't. We love going to the Ikea concert.
IKEA concert. To get like a little like holder for.
There's cube organizers. All right.
Oh.
This is the one I'm getting. We just have to remember. Wait.
Your room, you can buy this. So like book the stuff next to the new bed.
Does this say where this is at? Yeah, because I put measurements down on my phone. I'm like, this might be a good one. Because I was going to get the double one.
Yeah.
But it wouldn't fit that wall.
What's the size, right?
No.
No.
These are literally the stuff that I have because I got my pink set from
These are
Ikea.
meant for like the bowls itself too.
Oh, I want a walk-in closet. What the heck? Oh, one day. So I want something like this, but I can't find the squared lid to these. Ooh, bed stuff. Alright. Ooh, now we're in like the bathroom area. Oh, this is... Wait, that's a cute toilet scrubber. Dude, I low-key need some lamps for my room. Cause like we got no lights in our room. Okay, so now I'm looking through some picture frames. These look kind of cute. I might get some of these maybe. Wow, so many of the same picture frames to choose from. Y'all, finally made it to the self-service area. Last item! Yay! I was looking at picture frames for such a long time because I wanted like square picture frames maybe. But like they didn't have any. But I was like, let me double check 3 times. I'm like, let me go. They don't have it.
Picture frame, you should go to TJ Maxx and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Really nice.
So this is what all we got. Just some hangers. Some cute little glass jars. But the main reason why I was here was because of the bookcase or bookshelf. So I'm just going to pick up the package that I got. It's in parcel, so I have to like put the code in and stuff. It's so weird how we receive packages here, but I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. Okay, so I basically get a text that says that I got a package and it gives me a code, so I just type in. Okay, so okay, so I have a package. It's my stepstool, and then also my roommate and her boyfriend. They're putting up the couch, so you'll see that in the background. That took way too long to build. So I bought some glass containers, and yeah, we're just gonna try to make the kitchen pantry a little cuter. Alright, so I did this one already just for y'all to see. I got 2 of the big ones because I think I'm gonna do brown rice in this one, and then I got 4 smaller ones for other things. I have pasta, but I couldn't find a long one for spaghetti. So we have like pasta, and what is it? We have noodles too. So this is what it's looking like after. It looks so cute. So now I have this label maker, so I'm going to make a label for like each jar. Like this would be, you know, pasta. Okay, so this is what it ended up looking like. Super cute. And yes, I did snap the noodles in half so it can fit in here. I'm literally so obsessed. It looks so nice and clean. Alright, so I went ahead and did these as well. My little soap jars for the hand soap one, and then I also did this soap one. I still have 2 more, which I don't know what I'm gonna do with these yet. Alright. So cute.